guys, my name is Raksha and welcome to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle link is in the description box below so you can check it out. So now let's start the video. So today I created this blue smoky eye look. I basically created this look for the beginners so that everyone can do it easily. And I think this will go perfect with any outfit or in any occasion. So if you wanted to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So for moisturizer, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite Lakme Peach Milk. Moisturizing your lips is also very important. For that, I'm using the Wadi Strawberry Lip Balm. So for primer, I'm using the Color Bar Cucumber Prime Water. It's a great substitute for Smashbox Prime Water with half of its price. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna mix it with the Nykaa Jojoba oil because this foundation is a really bit dry on my skin. I'm going to add only 2 or 3 drops. Now with a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. And with the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it too. Now I'm gonna set my face. For that, I'm using the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder in the shade 30 Choco Kino. Let it set for some time. Till then, I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. I'm gonna take this shade as my transition shade. Now from the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, I'm gonna take this dark blue eyeshadow and do my outer corners and crease. By taking the same shade that I used to do my transition. Take this glitter eyeshadow and place it on my eyelids as well as my inner corners. And I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to remove the powder. I'm going to take this dark blue eyeshadow and bring it to my lower lash line. With the black kajal, I'm gonna do my upper waterline. I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm taking this Nykaa Glamour Eye to my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the NYX Love Lust Disco Epic Ink Liner. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now let's bronze our face. For that, I'm using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Topper Topper. Now let's use some blush. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit. I'm taking these 2 shades Now for highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter in the shade 03 Moonshine. I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to apply it on the highest point of my eyebrows and on the inner corners of my eyelids. For my lip liner, I'm using the Lakme. And for lipstick, I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and families. I will be back with some another videos. Till then, take care. Bye.